I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Linux. While Roblox does not officially support the Linux operating system, a dedicated community has developed several effective methods to get you into the game. We will explore how compatibility layers bridge the gap, allowing you to run either the Windows or Android version of Roblox. With the right tools and a few adjustments, you can enjoy your favorite Roblox experiences on your Linux machine. To get Roblox running on Linux, you will primarily use compatibility tools. Wine, which stands for Wine is not an emulator, is a crucial layer that translates Windows API calls into Linux equivalents. For gamers, Proton, developed by Valve and integrated with Steam, offers an even more refined experience. Additionally, a tool called Sober can run the Roblox Android client, which some users report offers up to twice the performance of the Windows version. The installation process involves a few straightforward steps. First, install your preferred compatibility layer, like Wine or Sober, using your Linux distribution's package manager or Flatpak. Next, download the Roblox client. This could be the Windows installer from the official website or an Android APK bundle for Sober. Once downloaded, simply launch the Roblox application through your installed compatibility tool, and you will be prompted to log in or create an account. Achieving optimal performance and resolving issues is key to a great Roblox experience on Linux. Always ensure your graphics drivers and compatibility layers are up to date, as these updates often include crucial bug fixes and performance enhancements. If you encounter low frame rates, try reducing Roblox's in-game graphics quality to medium or low. Additionally, closing other applications running in the background can free up valuable system resources, leading to smoother gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.